Hi, to change alarm sound on your POCO X7, first thing first, open settings, here choose sound and vibration, and then select alarm. After that, you can scroll down and find those themes such as love, instrumental, message, party, and so on. You can select something from here, for example from love theme, just tap it, tap on the song itself to listen it, and tap on the bell icon to select this song. Now let's go back, we can scroll down and choose something from hot hits, for example, music for everyday mood, and so on. There are plenty of options right here, and make sure that you are in a ringtone tab, by the way. Now we can go in pre-installed ringtones, choose alarm, and here find those default options for alarm. If you like something, you can tap it like this, and after that you can use this arrow to go back, and now this alarm would be saved. If you want to set something custom, for example, then go and choose local. Now you can select something from your recorder app, from your audio files, or if you got any music installed in your music app, you'll be able to see everything right here. So I got one song, for example, select it and tap OK. And after that, I would see it in my ringtones tab, so I can select to apply and here confirm by tapping OK. And now this song would be applied as the ringtone of my alarm. So you can check it if you go back in sound and vibration and take a look under alarm tab. Here you should see the name of your song. Of course, you can adjust the volume for your alarm just by dragging the slider like this. You can also go in your alarm app. Let's just find it from the list, and there you'd be able to make some adjustments as well. So let me just enable alarm, and now I can tap it, go in additional settings, go in ringtone, and also select something from those default options as well. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.